What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've already made a video about how to record calls on iPhone, but that method only worked on iPhone 11. In today's video, I'm going to show you a different way to record calls, and this time we are not using the phone app. Instead, we are going to record calls made through WhatsApp and Viber. And yes, this method works on multiple iPhone models. Let's get started. For this example, I used an iPhone 13 Pro running iOS 26, and on the other side, an iPhone 8 running iOS 16.7.14 to be precise. So one device is newer with iOS 26, the other one is older running iOS 16. And the recording worked perfectly. The key feature we're using here is called local capture. Local capture was introduced after the release of iOS 26. It allows you to locally record audio directly from your device, and that's exactly what makes this method possible. You need to be running iOS 26 or later on the device that is doing the recording. Make sure local capture is already added to your control center. Now here is exactly what you need to do. Open WhatsApp or Viber. Call the person you want to talk to. Wait until they answer and the call is connected. Once the call is active, open Control Center. Tap and hold on Local Capture. Make sure to toggle audio only. Tap Start Recording. And that's it. The recording will begin immediately. It will capture your voice and the other person's voice. So yes, it records both sides of the conversation. Once you're done, stop the recording from Control Center or just hang up. Now here is something important. The recorded audio file will be automatically saved in the Files app on your iPhone. So just open the Files app, locate the recorded audio, and you will find your conversation saved there. This is just a test. 1, 2, 3. I personally tested this method only with WhatsApp and Viber. I haven't tested other calling apps yet. Your iPhone must be running iOS 26 or later to use local capture. And that's how you can record WhatsApp and Viber calls on your iPhone using local capture. Simple, clean, and it works on multiple iPhone models, not just iPhone 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.